how many students are currently involved in the master's program?
This year we have a smaller class than usual. We've only got 45 students. Normally we have closer to 60, which is a really good number for a master's cohort. We had some issues with, it was kind of weird this year. We had some illnesses, withdrawals because they were sick. We had some visa issues, which is the first time we've had real visa issues in France in quite a while. But we've been told that the 5 students who wouldn't join us this year will be coming next year. I guess they've worked through the problems they've had. But we've got 45 really solid students this year. I'm advising 5 of them, and I'm just having a great time. It's a good group. It's a really good group.
And how many students usually in a summer program?
Summer program, anywhere from 120 to 130, and we've been thinking about expanding that. I think we could manage maybe up to 150 if we had, if we have 4 team projects. But many more than that, I think it would start to lose, this the experience that they get, particularly in the departments, because we like to keep the departments down to around 20 or 25 people, so that they get that personal experience with the department chair. And most of the time, the limiting factor anyway is availability of residence halls. We like to house the participants on the campus wherever we're having the program, because it is so intense and the schedule, the days are so long. It's very nice to have them right there so that they can come and go and not have to stress out about taking public transportation or anything like that. So a lot of times in the summer we're limited by housing availability.
When you and I were talking earlier, you mentioned that you are seeing many graduates of the program here at the Next Generation Suborbital Researchers Conference.
Yeah, that's true. Yesterday I felt like I was at an ISU reunion, because every time I turn around, I'm like, oh, hello, and seeing people I haven't seen in a really long time. And of course I've been spending a lot of time in Europe, because I'm based in Strasbourg in France, but on the occasions that I do get to come to the US, it's really fun to come to meetings like this and see friends and colleagues that that you haven't seen in a long time. Although a lot of the people I'm seeing here, we stay in touch over the months and weeks anyway. I mean, it's just great to see everybody, and even people I hadn't expected to see here from ISU, or turned around yesterday and saw one of the fellows that's going to be a department chair at SSP, and I hadn't expected to see him at all. So it's wonderful. It just shows the power of the network. We're here.
How many graduates are there now of ISU?
We are right at 3,600. So, and we have the summer program's been going since 1988. It was actually founded in 1987. In fact, we're celebrate our 25th anniversary on April 12th of this year, and we will have a celebration in Strasbourg in conjunction with the Yuri's Night event, and then we'll have another celebration in the United States in July, and I think that's going to be on July 7th down at NASA Kennedy. So it's a big year for us. 25 years, we're still here, still doing good stuff, so that's pretty exciting.